Today we gotta move a bunch of trucks around. I got too much crap sitting around here. I need it out of my way. And the friend of mine that owned this truck decided to change his mind. He's not gonna build this truck now, and I don't want it sitting here no more, so I'm gonna take it to his house and drop it off. So I gotta get it chained up. I winched it up on, it doesn't run, the motor's locked up. And I got one chain on it so I could move it, but I need to get more on. This back wheel here is locked up. It will not roll, so I had to use a skid on it. So I'm gonna make sure I take a hammer, because I have to put one on the back so I can get it off or chain it to something and then pull away from it, which won't be exactly easy. So I gotta get a chain on the front, chain on the back. I don't ever go with just the winch cable. It's just not safe. So let me get some chains, get this thing strapped down. Let's get it out of here. We got a lot of stuff to do today. This is great. So a couple weeks ago, took my jump box to the other property. Just great. A couple weeks ago, I took my jump box to one of my other properties to move some trucks around, and yeah, well, one thing led to another. Somebody told me they were going to grab them and throw them in the back of the van. They didn't. It got left. Both the jump boxes got left out in the rain. Neither one of them will work, so I sent the red one in to Goodall Van Air to have the service department look at it, and I haven't got it back yet. And I knew I would regret not having one. I was going to buy another one, but I didn't. Now I wish I had, because it seems like now all of a sudden everything I go to move's got dead batteries now. So frustrating. So let's talk about the viewer participation build and the plans for that truck. The plan is, after that truck gets shortened up, we're going to put this bed on it. I'm not going to do it in that build with the guys, but that's where it's going to go. This is a bed I had sandblasted and painted. It was on one of my dump trucks. I sold the cabin chassis and kept the dump bed, so it's in pretty good shape. Like I said, I had it sandblasted and repainted. It's got some pitting, but there's no holes nowhere. It's in really good shape. So we're going to go ahead and put this on that F750 once it's shortened up, and then we're going to sell this thing as a dump truck, get it done, get it over with, and get it out of here. I'm trying to thin the herd, and it starts with that. Then we have this truck that I bought years ago. It had a running problem. I got the running problem fixed. I never did anything with the truck. It's just been sitting here. I keep moving it. It starts right up every time. It's a double frame T444E, Allison automatic, under CDL, hydraulic brakes. And it's a long wheelbase. Make a great rollback. I hate to shorten it up for a dump truck, but it'd make a nice little dump. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. If I could find a reasonable priced rollback bed, that's what I'd like to put on it, because I checked transmission. It has the gear for the PTO in it, so it'd be a great little build. I got the batteries jump started off the van, so whatever. It looked like a lot for this truck, but that's an aluminum tank. This truck has a gas engine. You know, it's a real short truck. It's not very heavy. If that truck weighed in around 10,000 pounds, I'd be amazed. I don't think it's that heavy. But anyways, take our time, go nice and slow, just be careful. I guess if I wanted to save some weight, I could have let the air out of the tires. Front tires are 110 psi, the rears are 120 each. That add up to a good amount of weight. Well, one wheel's locked up, so I either have to chain it to something or see if I can get the skids to work. Got it underneath one. I may have to get another one. I don't think I'm under far enough to actually raise it yet. wanted me to put it, so it's out of the way. Let's get out of here and go move to the next one. So if you saw in that video, I put a chain on the front axle to my bed so that I could push the truck back without it rolling back up on my bed. Something that helps sometimes. You got something that doesn't want to roll, or you got to go uphill. Then I just chalk the wheels and got my bed out from underneath it. You know, this truck bed isn't ideal because it's like an equipment bed with a gravity down, but it works okay. It suits my needs for right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.